we guide you through how to delete messages on Messenger. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook Messenger app and go to the conversation where the messages is located. Then tap and hold the specific message you want to delete until a menu appears. Choose remove and you'll see two options. Remove for you, which deletes it only from your side, or remove for everyone, which deletes it for both you and the other person. But take note, this option is only available within a limited time after sending the message. Now, if you want to delete an entire conversation instead, go back to your chat list, tap and hold the conversation, then select delete and confirm. This will permanently remove the whole chat from your account. Also remember, once messages are deleted, they cannot be recovered, so make sure before confirming.